Welcome back to our channel Parts HnC. Today, we're sharing essential HVAC tips and tricks every new homeowner should know. Your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system is key to year-round comfort. So let's dive in and keep your home cozy no matter the season. First, get familiar with your thermostat. If it's outdated, consider upgrading to a smart thermostat. It helps you save energy by learning your schedule and adjusting temperatures automatically. Next, check and replace your air filters regularly, ideally every 3 months. Clean filters improve airflow and indoor air quality while reducing strain on your system. Pay attention to your HVAC system's outdoor unit. Keep it free from debris like leaves and dirt to ensure optimal performance. Also, trim nearby plants to maintain at least 2 feet of clearance around it. Scheduling professional maintenance is crucial. Have a technician inspect your HVAC system at least once a year to catch minor issues before they turn into expensive repairs. Seal any air leaks around windows and doors. This helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures and reduces the workload on your HVAC system. Weather stripping and caulking are quick and effective fixes. Don't overlook the importance of ceiling fans. In summer, set them to rotate counterclockwise for a cooling effect. In winter, switch to clockwise to circulate warm air. Finally, familiarize yourself with your HVAC warranty and user manual. Knowing what's covered can save you money if repairs are needed, and the manual provides valuable troubleshooting tips. By following these simple yet effective tips, you can extend the life of your HVAC system, lower energy costs, and enjoy a comfortable home all year round. For all your HVAC replacement needs, visit Parts HnC.